Okay, how to determine whether the lines L1 and L2 are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So the first line L1 is 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. And the other line, we call it L2, is 6x minus 4y plus 5. So before we start the solution, so first of all, two lines are parallel here. If two lines are parallel, if or parallel lines are they are parallel if the slope of first line, so m1, is equal to the slope of the second line. And also two lines are perpendicular if the slope of the second line or the other line is equal to the negative 1 of the slope of the first line. So how to get the slope of the first line? So first of all, we have an equation L1. The first line is 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. So the first way to get the slope of the first line is from 3x, from the equation 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. So we move these terms to the right. So 4 to go to the right and 3x go to the right. So now minus 2y, so here minus 2y will now be equal minus 3x minus 4, and dividing this by minus 2 or negative 2, then we have now the equation of the line in the form of the slope. So 3 over 2x now, negative over negative is positive, plus negative 4 over 2, negative 2 is 2. So we have now an equation of the slope intercept form of a line. So from here we get m, or in this case first slope, or the slope of the first line, that is m1, is 3 by 2. But another way of getting this in a short way is from the equation we can get also, from here this equation we can get also this a 3 and b minus 2. So and then use this formula negative a over b to get the slope of 1. So you will also get a negative of 3 divided by b, which is negative 2, and so you will get the same answer, slope of the first line as positive 3 over 2. Now, how to get the slope of the second line? So we have an equation again here given 6x minus 4y plus 5 equals 0. So from this equation 6x minus 4y plus 5 equals 0. So we move again these terms to the right, these two terms to the right, so we will get a equation in the slope intercept form. So this become now minus 4y equal minus 6x minus 5. So dividing this by negative 4 and dividing this also negative 4 here, so now you will get the equation of the line in the slope intercept form, which you can write 6 over 4 y equals 6 over 4 x, and then plus 5 over 4. And so you can also get from here the slope m2 now, which is the slope of the second line, is 6 over 4, or writing this in the lowest term, we have 3 over 2. Then another way of getting the slope of the second line, we can also use from here the a equals 6 and the b in the equation -4. So putting this in the formula again, this formula for the to get the slope of the equation of the line in the general form of the line, so we get minus of the a over -4. So this, so now and then we can also reduce that to lowest term, so this becomes same, the answer 3 over 2. So therefore we can say, because they are same number, m1 equals m2, they are the same, m1 and m2, so we can say that the two slopes are equal, they are the same, right? So therefore L1, so L1, this symbol for this is a symbol for parallel, is parallel to L2. So this is the answer. So it's parallel, and so therefore we cannot prove to be perpendicular. They are not perpendicular, or they are, so it is parallel. So thank you.